Thank you for joining me for today's video. Today we're going to transform a popsicle into a Mondrian Popsicle. If you liked today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to draw with me. First we're going to start by drawing a big rainbow shape. It's going to be a skinny rainbow and nice and tall. We're going to close up the bottom with a straight line. And then we're going to make the popsicle stick. It goes down, curves around, and comes back up. The same shape, smaller and upside down. Two big round eyes. And inside the eyes we're going to draw a curved shape on the top and a smaller curved shape on the bottom. This will make it look like our popsicle is looking up in the air. Line straight across for the mouth with a curved line on the bottom. And then we're going to draw some drippy popsicle stuff, curved lines on the top of our popsicle. Mondrian liked to use a lot of straight lines in his artwork, so we're going to use a ruler to draw some lines straight down. We're not going to measure, we're just going to space them out however far we would like to. So I did two that way, and then I'm going to do a few horizontals, which is straight side to side. And I make sure I go behind the eyeballs and behind the drippy popsicle. And now I'm just going to add a few more vertical and horizontal lines with my ruler, just anywhere that I think looks good. We're trying not to make a checkerboard, we're trying to make it uneven. So it's not a regular pattern, it's an irregular pattern. And once you have enough lines drawn, you can outline everything with a black permanent marker. Fill in the eyeballs. And now I can take an eraser and erase any of the pencil you missed with the permanent marker. And now we're going to start coloring. And Mondrian used primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. He mostly used those, so I'm going to use red, yellow, and blue for this. So I'm going to first use yellow for my drippy popsicle part. And then I'm going to fill in a few of the rectangles and squares with yellow. And then I'm going to fill in a few of the rectangles and squares with red. And then I'm going to use blue for a few of them. And then Mondrian also left white on some of his squares and rectangles, so I'm going to leave a bunch of them white. I'm going to color brown for the popsicle stick. Dark pink for inside the mouth. And our Mondrian Popsicle is done. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be transforming a lot more popsicles and a bunch of other things.